Greetings to you, and happy St. Patrick's Day, if that's your thing. It's March 17th, 2021, and guess what? I got another cherry bomb trade for you. Up here you can see it's NEE, and we're looking to do a potential neutrals trade, although it is high risk. It's Strangle. We're looking at the NEE, which is a green sector clean energy stock, and it's got a liquidity rank of 4 out of 4, which is nice. Its IV rank is a little low for selling premium. So, you know, this isn't the kind of trade you're going to be like, look, gang, look at what I made today in the stock market. Right? You're not bragging about this one. Maybe you'll brag about how much risk you took for such a small payoff. However, that is going to mean you will have high probabilities. So if you're interested in taking a look at how you could position yourself in a nice, clean energy sector stock underlying, then hey, head on into Thinkorswim with me. I'll meet you on the inside. Hi, everybody. My name is Neil, and this is Option Theory. I'm down here in the corner again, so that, hey, the most important thing is that we get into this flight simulator and know what we're doing. And by the way, this is the second time I'm recording this video. My initial run, somehow the record key, when I hit it didn't work. Oh, right? Where's the Tylenol? Okay, so on screen here, you can see that we have our portfolio built of cherry bombs and some additional trades. And what I'd really ask is kindly, if you'd stay to the end, that really does help me. And I'll explain to you how this is an interactive channel and how you can join in with us and do these things as well too. So let's take a quick look at the chart for NEE. So got NEE typed up here in the ticker, and you can see that I already have an alert here set for when I did the first video. I'm going to delete that alert, and I'll set it all again as if I've never done this video before. All right, we can see that it's been on a steady climb up, and it decided to reverse. Maybe the bulls took their profits, and now it's back on sale again, right? But we're going to position ourselves and hope that it stays right where it is in this trend here, and pretend this was just some aberration, right? Not sure why that was. So let's go to the Analyze tab. Let's go to Add Simulated Trade. We're going to be in the April 16th monthly expirations, which as of today, March 17th, is 30 days away today. So we'll be in this trade for a short amount of time. So what are the strikes that we're looking to do? We're looking to do the 67.50, which is an 11 delta right now. I'm going to hit the left click the bid for that to sell one contract of that put. And I want to then go ahead up to here, the call side, and sell a 14 delta here, 82.50. I'm going to hold down the control key and hit the sell on that one as well. And I've got myself a Strangle built. One contract, 75 cents. According to Tastyworks, the mid price is 77. So I'm going to put that in there as well. And we have our trade built. Let's go up to now, because we want to know our probabilities. Hey, $77 for infinite risk is not an amazing thing. I get that. But remember, total payoff for this one, what you get in return for this is high probabilities. Well, what probabilities? So let's check the risk profile and see what we're talking about. Make sure the date you see in the bottom left corner in turquoise, that is tough to say, is 417 is also up here in the top right corner, 417. You'll notice that where our strikes are, our short strikes are outside of the expected move, and our break evens are even further, right? So there you go. Let's go over to this menu. You choose set slices to break even at 417, and we are looking at an 81% probability of ending up between the goalposts. Think of this as like the American football, kick it between the goalposts. By expiration, we want it to end up somewhere in here, and we can collect our full $77. And we have an 89% probability of collecting half of that in the next 30 days. So you could be out of this trade in less than, who knows? Maybe, let's say 15 days. It'd be nice if we could manage it at 21 days, right? Did you catch yesterday's video where I talked about Tastytrade's video that they did 2 days ago as market measures, and talked about 21 days to expiration? Hopefully you did. Check that out. It was yesterday's cherry bomb on Tesla. So what we have here is this today line. So of course, if NEE should move in any direction, we will begin to feel some pain. Where you don't want it to move, really, for the most part, is up, right? Because that's where you face your infinite risk. But hey, We know it's undefined risk. Even if in one day it moved this far, you'd be out $223. We'll set an alert. We'll know to close it. And that's not hopefully going to end your days of trading and losing that much. It's not ideal. No one wants to lose, but that's not the real world, right? So I can get why you'd want to fly off some of the risk, buy a wing for protection here. It doesn't look like it's possible to earn enough premium to take all upside risk off the table without just completely reducing your probabilities to low. Why would you do that? Okay, so because this is paper money, we can test our mechanics out for this so that maybe someday we would want to actually employ this strangle strategy. I'm going to go ahead and right click this trade, choose confirm and send, and we'll see here that we have our max profit. Actual max loss could be horrible, right? But we are going to do the best to protect ourselves and test our ability to manage trades like this. I'm going to go ahead and hit send. I'm going to go to the chart. I'm going to find the 83 price. I'm going to get close to it. And I'm going to right click and choose create an alert. And I want to mark when the mark is at or above $83, say breach reached, manage trade, right? And that's it. I'm going to go ahead and hit create. That puts that mark right here, that alert. So yeah, there we are. I probably should have put that as a last price, but yeah, maybe I would change that to last instead of mark. But hey, I'm going to leave it there for now. It's going to go back to my monitor tab, and we'll see that the trade is here in the working orders. Should it fill, there's a couple of things that you could do. First off, I'd like to make sure it ends up in this undefined risk once it's filled. And then you could also set a good till cancel order to take this off when it's worth, $38, right? That'd be half. So good enough, right? Cool. So, hey, you made it to the end. My thumbs up to you. Thank you so much. If you feel that I've earned a thumbs up, would you mind hitting that thumbs up? And if you're new here, stick around. I'll tell you how you can get involved in this interactive channel. First off, hey, these trade ideas do come from Tastytrade, but I love hearing from you. So if you want to have an underlying, leave that in the comments below in any of my videos, and I'd be happy to do that on a Monday. All right? But how do you get these same emails that we get from Tastytrade? Step number 1, go down to the description box. I'm stumbling now. It's the second time I've done this. I should get it right. The description box will have a new link for the Tastytrade email sign up page. There's several email lists to sign up from. I sign up for all of them, but the Cherry Bomb one is the one that we use. You'll get 5 emails a week in the morning at the crack of dawn, and at least here on the East Coast, it's the crack of dawn. And what you want to do is subscribe to that. You'll get them. Monday's motivational. For the rest of the 4 days of the week, we'll have trade ideas, and that's how you can get that. The next thing you want to do is, I'd love it if you subscribed and ring that bell, because when you ring the bell, you'll get notified when these videos come out. And why? Just because I'm a YouTuber or something do I do that? No, these trades have options, which have time value, right? You want to get these trades on in the right timing. So there's a good reason. Thank you so much for joining us. Hey, I've got a new expression for you. Until I see you next time, may the markets be with you.